plant-based milk made at home. Today, on Grandma Bessie's house, we have a simple and healthy do-it-yourself recipe. We are making DIY homemade almond milk. The recipe and its ingredients are in the video's description. Grab almonds from the pantry and gather 1 cup of them. Pour almonds into a large bowl. Add a vanilla bean and cover with water. Soak overnight. Take a second to give this recipe a thumbs up and share it. Check out the GBH YouTube channel for other simple recipes. If you like what you see, subscribe along with notifications so you know when we release new videos. The following morning, the water that almonds soaked in should look cloudy. Drain and rinse almonds and vanilla bean. Pour almonds into blender. Chop vanilla bean. Add it to the blender too. Pour in 5 cups of water. And chop pitted dates. Add them to the blender, along with salt and cinnamon. Blend on high speed for 2 minutes. What other homemade milk alternatives would you like us to make? Tell us your suggestions by leaving a comment below the video. Place a sieve over a large bowl and line it with cheesecloth. Pour in nut milk. Allow milk to drain 30 to 45 minutes. You should have ground almond solids left over in the cheesecloth. Make a bag out of the cheesecloth. Squeeze to extract the remaining milk. If you have enjoyed this recipe, like and share it. Also, you can help our channel grow by clicking subscribe below the video. Place a funnel into an empty airtight container. Place sieve over funnel and pour milk into the container. Refrigerate until chilled. Healthy almond milk with no preservatives. Thank you for watching another episode of Grandma Bessie's House.